Okay, audio test, lighting test, etc., etc. Maybe we should use the tripod instead. Let's see how this looks. How's that? Is that better? Hello again, Peter here. What'd you think of the intro? Pretty good? Well, you're watching this, so hopefully you liked it. Today, another unboxing, and you saw this thumbnail. But let's get to it. Audio gadgets. The OpenFit AIR by SHOKZ. So they had the OpenFit, and now this is the second gen, the OpenFit AIR. Cool packaging, 3 colors, I think, white, black, and one other. Unlike a lot of other expensive earbuds that are $100 to $200, even $300 range, these don't come with a 1-year warranty, they come with 2, so that's pretty cool. And yeah, let's open them. Ooh. Ingestion hazard. Now this is new because I didn't think you could take the batteries out. This product contains a button cell or coin battery. Death, in all caps, or serious injury can occur if ingested. A swallowed button cell or coin battery can cause internal chemical burns in as little as 2 hours. So they are very dangerous, and battery companies like Duracell and others have even gone to they even taken Duracell and Energizer, they even coat the batteries with a yucky taste now, so kids or other humans will not swallow them, or animals. We're going to use the Leatherman opener because I've misplaced my Kershaw. So a small incision right there should do it. I ordered the white ones because the khaki ones over the last year, they've been okay. Not my favorite, to be honest. Warning, this product can expose you to chemicals including bisphenol A, PB. Wow, lots of warnings, huh? Okay, and there's usually kind of, yep. And this other box to the right was a freebie because I pre-ordered these right when they came out. Yes, I pre-ordered them. No one sent them to me. And it is hot in this room. Okay, here we go. Ready? I like that sound. Nice little kind of wax paper. They look a lot like the other ones, which I forgot at home. Oh, you want to see them? What do you think, huh? Similar. I'm guessing they're going to weigh less. I like the design. I'll try them on in just a second. Also in the box we have, ooh, USB-A, really? That means they want to control the amount of power going in. And a manual, no stickers, bummer. So when you pre-order these, you mean like a warranty card. That's cool, that is cool. And then we have OpenFit AIR case cover. So I can keep this thing nice and white. I'm also wondering if it has wireless charging. I did not read the full specs. I just saw them and thought, yes, I would like to review these. Ooh, you know what this reminds me of? This reminds me of the invisible jet that Wonder Woman would fly around in. I'm guessing it goes on this way. And this way. Nope. This is the back. Well, that's cool. Just kind of, what do you think? Nice clear case. Seems to stay on there. It was free, they threw it in. OpenFit AIR case cover. Yeah, so there we go. I'm gonna pair these and do all that fun stuff and set up and let you know. I imagine as soon as you open them, the way they did before is you'd like hold your fingers down, but and just like that. See the little blinky light? They're trying to pair with my phone. So I'm gonna pair them and let you know what I think about the audio. If there's more bass, because that's what was missing last year. If the sound quality is a little richer, that's what I want to hear. And how they are with just podcasts, phone calls, how the microphones are. Yes, Malacqua, knife safety, always. And there's a few other questions I want to know. If the battery life is any better, although I didn't have any problems with the battery life previously. I already mentioned wireless charging, and we'll just see what's new. And then I can compare them to the OpenFit SHOKZ from 8 months ago that I purchased. All right, that's it. I'll see you again soon with these new earbuds, headphones. So the setup should be pretty easy since I have the other pair paired to this phone. So searching, I'll just open this up. And it has the blinky light there, both red and green, connection help. I'm guessing we have to go back down, go to settings, Bluetooth. There we go. OpenFit AIR by SHOKZ. And pairing. Allow access, sure. Pair. So now if we go back to the app, boom. So the case came 60% charged, left and right, 100. We'll screenshot that. And let's see what kind of settings do we have. Multi-point pairing, we want that on. Looks like just 2 devices. I was hoping there would be more than 1 device on the pairing options, but that's just me because I have more than. So there's bass boost, connection controls, double tap. All right, very similar. Is there an update? Nope. About SHOKZ website, register your product. OpenFit versus OpenFit AIR. So now we'll try the fit. They feel lighter. And in a way, they go on my ears just a little more easily. So I'm going to switch it to bass boost. If I click play, no sound coming on. Okay, let's try Spotify. Little Sarah McLachlan fumbling towards ecstasy. This one's called Wait. The audio is pretty good. And they're not pressing against my ear at all, so they feel really comfy. I'm gonna have to wear these around for a while. See you in a few hours, maybe a few days.